your lecture number 2 is there, right? Up today your lecture number 2 is pronoun and its kind is there, right? Up now today you will learn about pronoun and its kind, right? Pronoun, what is the meaning of pronoun? Means okay, replacement of noun is called what? Replacement of noun is called pronoun. Up now you have to have the concept of kinds, right? Up means there are 11 kinds of pronouns are there, right? That is number one is subjective pronoun. Subjective pronouns are those pronoun which talk about the subject, which talk about the subject means, for example, of what the examples of he, she, it, they, you, we, I. Means there are two categories of pronoun. One is singular, one is plural. That is called subjective pronoun. Second is objective pronoun. Objective pronoun. What does the objective mean? Objective means okay, that is a receiver. For example, someone is receiving your action. That is called receiver. Objective pronouns are those which act as a object. Means okay, that is a receiver of something or your receiver of your actions. She changed into her, he changed into him, it changed into it, they changed into them, you changed into you, we changed into us, I changed into me. And the third one is demonstrative. Demonstrative, what is the meaning of demonstrative? Demonstrative means to point out, means to indication. Oh, that is a chair. Oh, this is a board. Oh, this is a chair. This is a teacher. That is a TV. For example, demonstrative means indications to indicate something. That is called what? Demonstrative pronoun to indicate something. This, that, these, those, the categories, again the categories of singular categories and the plural categories. The third one is possessive. What does possessive means? Possessive means okay, possessive pronouns are those which show ownership, possession and property. The examples of what? For example, it is, the marker is mine. The marker is mine. So that is called the possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun means okay, ownership. You are the owner of something. For example, this class is my class or this is mine. This is mine is what? Possessive pronoun. She changed into hers, he changed into his, it changed into it, they changed into theirs, you changed into yours, I changed into mine. So these are the possessive pronoun. And the fifth one is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun, what does indefinite pronoun means? It means not, definite means obvious. Obvious means okay, someone is knocking the door, that is you do not know. Means okay, what does it mean in Urdu? ना मालूम गैर वाजिया, यानी कि आपको इसमें पता नहीं होता कि कोई क्या काम कर रहा है. कोई काम कर रहा है, someone is knocking the door or you do not know who is he or who is she. कौन दरवाजा बजा रहा है? You do not know the meaning of word, the meaning of indefinite. Someone, somebody, anyone, anybody, everyone, everybody, everything, everyone. So you do not know you do not know the meaning of word, the meaning of indefinite pronoun. Number 6 is what? Number 6 is reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal means okay, there are the same two categories are there. Two categories each other, one another. What does it mean? Okay, two boys are talking with each other. Okay, right? Up now that two boys are talking with each other and two boys are talking one another. यानी कि means okay, for example, they are talking about what? They are talking about each other means दो या दो से ज़्यादा की बात करना है. That is called what? Up now that okay, interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns are those which is used to ask question. आप सवाल करते हैं किसी से. For example, is it a black color? No, it isn't black color. It is a pink color. So that means okay, interrogative pronoun. To ask question, आप means किसी से सवाल पूछते हो. That is called interrogative pronoun. Interrogative means to ask questions. Any kind of questions you can ask from anyone, right? So that is called interrogative. Relative pronoun means to relate two sentences. दो चीजों को आपस में मिलाने को आप क्या कहेंगे? करेंगे relative pronoun करेंगे. Relative pronoun are those which relate to sentences, to clauses and to phrases. For example, I am the one who is your teacher. I am the one who is teaching English in the class. That is called what? That is called interrogative pronoun. Or interrogative pronoun means okay, relative pronoun. Sorry, I'm sorry. Relative pronoun. I am the one who is teaching you. Who means जो कि मैं आपको पढ़ा रही हूँ. मैं वो हूँ जो आपको पढ़ा रही हूँ, आपकी टीचर हूँ. That is called relative pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. Number 9 is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns are those means, for example, if you throw the ball will come back to you. The ball will come back to you. That is reflecting means okay, reflect back, bounce back, reflect back to you.